This is exactly the strategy you need to avoid 0 views on your short. My short channel got multiple million views. So far I have almost 40 million views and more than $6,000. The most views short got me 14 million views and made me 2.5k. And I never got 0 views again after using these simple steps which I'm about to show you right now. When you create an account on YouTube or any other platform, they most likely consider you a bot. So the first step is to show the platform that you are a human and not a bot. You can either get an age account or create a new one. If you want an aged account, I use this website to get accounts for $6. I'll leave the link in the description. But if you create a new one, watch videos and short, comment, like and share like a normal human. Try to keep it as normal as possible for at least 1 week. After that, make sure that your phone number and ID are verified. After around 7 days, you will be good to start. The last thing is never expect to get a million views by uploading one short. This is not a secret sauce. This is only a method to avoid 0 views on your channel.